In this video, we will discuss enabling and disabling the IOLS on a CP5 or CP5i control pad. The IOLS turns on and off the handpiece light when the handpiece is withdrawn from the holder. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Enter the Settings menu. Scroll down to Equipment. Then to Delivery. Select Holder Configuration. Withdraw the handpiece you would like to reprogram. Select Adjust Settings. Scroll down to IOLS On. Use the up and down arrows to scroll through the options. Press Select to save your preferred setting. Note, this change will only apply to the current A or B user. Return the handpiece to the holder and use the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.